Tammy Slaton, the larger-than-life reality star from TLC's 1000 LB Sisters, has undergone a jaw-dropping transformation over the past couple of years, losing over 500 pounds and taking back control of her life in ways fans once feared she never would. But just as viewers began settling into the image of a new, healthier Tammy, shocking news broke: another major surgery is right around the corner. And this time, it might be one of the most life-altering procedures she's ever faced. For a woman who has survived countless obstacles, hospital stays, and even life support, the latest chapter in Tammy's journey is shaping up to be emotional, intense, and incredibly high stakes. Sources close to the star have confirmed that Tammy is preparing for a second round of skin removal surgery. Though she previously underwent a successful skin procedure earlier this year, fans knew that her massive weight loss would likely mean more than one operation would be necessary. After shedding over half her body weight following bariatric surgery, Tammy was left with large amounts of excess SK, which not only affects her appearance but also her health and mobility. Now, the time has come for round 2, and it promises to be even more intense than the first. According to insiders, Tammy has been in close contact with her surgical team for months now. She's completed multiple evaluations, attended consultations, and undergone pre-operative testing to ensure her body is ready to endure another invasive procedure. She's nervous but also excited, one insider shared. This isn't just about how she looks, it's about how she feels in her skin. Literally, the upcoming surgery will reportedly focus on her arms, upper thighs, and additional abdominal tissue that couldn't be removed during the first operation due to safety concerns. The risk level is high, but Tammy appears to be more determined than ever. Fans of 1000 LB Sisters have watched Tammy's journey from the very beginning, and many still remember the dark periods when her survival seemed uncertain. Her health was spiraling, and even her closest family members questioned whether she would live to see her next birthday. But something changed in Tammy after her stay in rehab. She embraced therapy, started moving more, adopted a healthier diet, and ultimately qualified for bariatric surgery, a life-saving procedure that many doubted she would ever be approved for. Fast forward to now, and Tammy is a completely different person. She's been sharing glimpses of her post-surgery lifestyle on social media, frequently posting TikToks and selfies that show her slimmer, more confident frame. And while Tammy has always been known for her fiery personality and bold attitude, fans are noticing a softer, more self-assured side of her as she steps into this next phase of life. It's like watching someone be reborn, one fan wrote. She's glowing in a way we've never seen before. But with this next surgery looming, the reality star is once again bracing for pain, recovery, and the emotional toll that comes with another body-altering procedure. The first surgery was hard, Tammy admitted in a recent clip. "I'm not gonna lie, the pain, the swelling, the bruising, it was all real. But it was worth it. Every bit of it. And now, I know what to expect. That doesn't make it easier, but it does make me stronger." It's not just Tammy who's preparing emotionally. Her family is also gearing up for another round of stress and worry. Amy Slaton, Tammy's sister and longtime co-star, has been outspoken about her concerns regarding the risks of additional surgeries. "I want what's best for her," Amy said in a recent interview. "But every time she goes under, I get scared. We've come so far together. I just don't want anything to go wrong." The Slaton family has endured a tremendous amount of turmoil over the years, from childhood trauma to food addiction, public scrutiny, and relationship drama. But through it all, the bond between Tammy and Amy has remained unbreakable, though not without moments of tension. Amy recently moved out of the duplex they once shared, focusing on raising her 2 young sons and managing her own weight loss journey. Despite the separation, sources confirm that Amy is fully supportive of Tammy's decision to move forward with another surgery. Dr. Eric Smith, the surgeon who performed Tammy's bariatric procedure, is reportedly consulting with her new plastic surgery team to ensure continuity in her care. "She's come so far medically, Smith said. "Her progress is nothing short of miraculous. But surgery, even cosmetic surgery, always carries risk, especially for someone who's been through what Tammy has. That said, she's a fighter. And I have faith she'll handle this next step like a champ." TLC has not confirmed whether Tammy's upcoming surgery will be featured in the next season of 1000 LB Sisters, but given the show's history of documenting her life in real time, it's likely that viewer will witness at least some of the emotional roller coaster that lies ahead. For fans who've cheered for Tammy from day one, the thought of seeing her undergo another transformation is both exciting and nerve-wracking. Meanwhile, Tammy's relationship life has been a subject of intense speculation. Following the death of her late husband Caleb Willingham, she entered a period of deep mourning, shutting off most contact with the public. However, in recent months, she's been rumored to be talking to someone new, a friend-turned-romantic interest who's reportedly been a major source of emotional support during this challenging time. While Tammy hasn't confirmed any new romance, she's hinted at not being entirely single in a few cryptic TikTok posts, further fueling fan interest. Despite all the buzz and speculation, Tammy seems focused more on herself than anyone else right now. Her social media bios, motivational quotes, and candid updates all suggest that she's prioritizing her mental, physical, and emotional health over everything. "This isn't about looking cute for anyone else," she wrote in a caption last month. "It's about me. It's about being able to walk without pain, sit in a chair without struggling. It's about freedom." Quote, "The recovery process from her next skin removal surgery is expected to be even longer than the first, with doctors estimating a healing timeline of several months. That means more physical therapy, more rest, and more time away from the spotlight, though knowing Tammy, she may still sneak a few TikTok updates here and there." Fans have grown used to seeing her humorous and raw takes on life post-weight loss, and many are already offering prayers and words of encouragement ahead of her operation. "I just hope she knows how proud we are of her," one longtime fan tweeted. "She's been through so much, and she's still standing. That's strength." Strength, indeed, seems to be the defining word of Tammy's story. From being mocked online to being hospitalized and put on life support, from losing her husband to gaining a new lease on life, Tammy has endured trials that most people couldn't imagine. But with this upcoming surgery, she's once again taking her destiny into her own hands. No one knows exactly how the next chapter will unfold. There may be setbacks, there may be complications, but one thing is for sure, Tammy Slaton isn't done yet. She's still fighting, still transforming, and still proving to herself and the world that it's never too late to change your life. Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.